Hello, welcome to question number 5 of the revised GRE general test. So for this question here, I want to determine the weight of quantity A and quantity B so I can find the solution to this problem. So a very good way to handle a problem like this is to choose arbitrary numbers x and y that satisfies this condition here. So I need to choose a number x and then another number y that lies between 0 and 1, and then such that the number I choose for x must be less than the number I choose for y. So I'm going to go ahead and choose my x to be 1 over 4, that's 1 divided by 4, and I'm going to go ahead and choose my y to be 1 over 2. So you could want to write this in decimal fraction if you like. So this is going to be 0.25, and then this is 0.5. so this is what we have. So anyway, let's write this whole thing. Let's bring them down. So we have is 0 less than 0.25 less than 0.5, which is also less than 1. So this is the number I chose for my x, and then this is the number I chose for my y. So let me check the two quantities and then determine the weight of the two of them. So quantity A and quantity B. So quantity A is 1 minus y, so which is 1 minus, now my y is 0.5, so which is going to give me 0.5, and my b is y minus x, so that is y minus x, which is equal to, now my y is 0.5 minus my x, which is 0.25, and then that equals 0.25. So from here you would observe that A is greater than B, so my answer is going to be A. You could decide to choose a different number. Maybe you want to choose say 0. Let's say you want to choose 0.3, and you want to choose 0.6 here, just to be sure of your answer. So for that part, so your A is going to be 1 minus y, which is equal to, so your y now is 0.6, so that'll be 1 minus 0.6, which is going to give you 0.4, and then your b, which is y minus x, and that's going to give you, now your y is 0.6, that's 0.6 minus your x which is 0.3, that's 0.3, and that's going to give you 0.3. So again, you'd observe that the A is still greater than B, so that still tells you that A has a larger weight than B, so the answer still remains B. So normally a very good way to think about handling problems like this is to choose arbitrary numbers, because you're going to be timed, and you don't really have much time to show lots of proofs. So this is one of the quickest way to handle stuff like this. And then when you have chosen a number, then it's always a good way to verify by choosing another set of numbers, just to be sure that your answer is correct. Thanks for watching.